Now, one of the most difficult and daunting tasks is working out how many stems you need to buy for the designs that you're going to create. If you buy too many, you're left with a residue of stems, which can be quite costly. So that's going to cut down on the profit that you make. If you buy too few, you've got stems that you need for a design and don't have. So that's very stressful. Now, over the last 40 years in my career, I've come to rely on a really simple and effective tool. Now, that's what I call a stem calculator. And it's really simple. You can do it either on a spreadsheet or you can do it with pen and paper. If you're like me, I'm very old school, so I rely on pen and paper. So you list the amount of designs that you want to create. So for example, if you're doing an arrangement, but you're doing 10 of them, you'll list the fact that you need 10. And then you'll also itemize the variety of flowers that you want to use. And then allocate so many stems of each variety to that design, and then tally at the bottom, which will give you a total amount of stems that you need to purchase, and then you can buy in the multiples in which that variety is sold. It's such a valuable tool because you can print it off multiple times, hand that sheet to a colleague or a friend or a member of the family who's creating an arrangement for you as well, and then they'll have in front of them exactly how many stems of each variety they need to use to create that one design. So simple and effective, but probably one of the most important tools that you can use. So from conception to completion, our industry experts here at the Academy of Flowers will guide you and help build your confidence to get the absolute best in planning for your event, helping you to ascertain the stems that you require to create exquisite floral design.